right, y'all. We're in Union Station now, heading to get, I'm a boomer, I'm gonna get paper tickets or see if I can. Their website's not the best, but we will check in. All right, guys. I'm at the Amtrak kiosk, and it ended up being relatively easy. I'm a boomer. We got 2 paper tickets just in case, and we'll see you on the train. All right, y'all. We are starting our odyssey, man. We are doing the 19 Crescent from DC to Atlanta in a sleeper car. We are getting kind of excited. Hold on here, careful now. We gotta show you the, oh, see, we're all waiting. We're in front row, man. Yes, it is about as narrow as it looks. Here is a roomette, which our buddy Shoot has done this, and he's like, yeah, that's for 1 person. And of course, we got the room. Is this us?
Yeah.
Yay. Alright, y'all. It's I don't know. I'm having an adventure on this. There's some luggage space up there up top. I could probably get up and show y'all. It's like got some luggage space. Got some back there. This is gonna be our second bed or our first bed. You know, that's the bunk bed. Showed you a little bit earlier. Hold on, careful now, careful now. Yeah, we just played a championship gin rummy game right there with our new Rolling Stone cards. As usual, I won. And then we have all these hooks for our stuff and whatnot. I feel like I'm in a hostel or something. Not that there's anything wrong with that. So yeah, so the our bed's gonna come out to the sink. So I don't know how I'm gonna be able to walk around and do stuff, but it's still pretty cool. Having fun. Hey y'all, there you are. See me? All right, y'all. We put the upper bunk down. I mean, it's definitely good for 1 person, and then here's the lower one, and that's gonna pull out, and yeah, man, that's good for 2 people. You know, we're not talking 4 seasons or whatever, but it's been a fun night.